day, gone today. Hurry up and wait. I'm never there for you or me. Can't you read the story of our lives? Death to me.